Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by picking a durable container and a clear opening date so the project has purpose. Once chosen, gather 10 to 15 small items that represent today and write an inventory on acid-free paper. Include names, date, and instructions. Make sure to test the container fits everything with padding. Next, decide on a secure location at school or at home and get permission. This step avoids surprises later and sets measurable boundaries for preservation and access. You now preserve and document each item to reduce degradation. First, wrap fragile objects in archival tissue and cushion with polyethylene foam. This prevents scratches and crushing. Then place paper items in UV-blocking sleeves and add silica gel packets to control moisture. Once done, photograph every object and record short audio or video messages explaining significance. Make sure to label each file with matching inventory numbers. Finally, assemble the container layers so heavier items sit on the bottom for stability. You finish by sealing and securing the capsule for long-term safety. Tighten corrosion-resistant screws or solvent-weld joints, then apply waterproof tape around seams and add a weatherproof label with the opening year. Next, store or bury it at the approved site and record GPS coordinates plus a paper map kept with trusted adults. Make sure to set calendar reminders. If water intrusion or label loss occurs later, the key fix is to retrieve the capsule promptly and transfer contents to a dry, ventilated space for controlled recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.